Hi, I'm Jamie from Wilde Signs. We are a large format and digital print provider. We were contacted by a new client to create a custom sign and frame solution. Our team here at Wilde Signs developed and executed this new sign and frame solution. We manufactured the frame and we did the digital print work as well as installed all the signs and got them ready for shipping. A couple of unique features included in this sign solution are the fact that anyone can easily change out the inserts in a matter of minutes. Another unique feature to this frame is the fact that the signs are wind resistant. They have a pivot point that allows for the wind to flow through them so that it doesn't make the sign top heavy and tip over when it's being used outdoors. Here at Wilde Signs, we use the best quality materials in our manufacturing. We take every project very seriously and you get the best value per dollar spent. One obstacle that we had with this project was the logistics of delivering these signs. Wilde Signs prides itself in its fulfillment. We took a couple of approaches in this project. We drop ship the signs direct to stores, as well as bulk ship to DCs across the nation in order to lower costs on the project.